But first, new today, the city of Fort Wayne releases the results of its heat and air quality study. At 5, we showed you what the city learned about air quality around town. Now, meteorologist Nathan Gidley breaks down the heat mapping.
Well, dozens of volunteers gathered on August 26 last year to drive 10 designated routes in the city in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Over 70,000 temperature measurements were continuously taken with sensors attached to vehicles. Which parts of the city were the hottest were identified here. Take a look at the map here from the morning. You can see how warmer and cooler spots are more uniform. As temperatures heat up in the afternoon, though, some areas are cooler than others. The same is true with the map from the evening. Areas with dense development and industrial land use can create pockets of hotter temperatures. Concrete urban areas can also retain heat longer during the day. The cooler area is often associated with green spaces and the proximity to water, such as one of the 3 rivers in Fort Wayne. Now, for the city, this is the first time they have access to the temperatures people are actually experiencing in different parts of the Summit City at the ground level.
So ambient air temperature is super important for us to know as a community, because this way we can actually see if you're standing in this on this street versus this other part of town, how does the person experience it? And we saw about an 8-degree fluctuation across the entire city. So that means on a given day, if you're standing in one place versus another, it could be almost 10 degrees hotter. So of course that will impact folks' health and how extreme the heat actually is.
Now, from here, it's up to nonprofit agencies, utilities, neighborhood associations, government agencies, and businesses to use the data to make decisions. Actions can now be taken to address areas more prone to impacts from high heat. A reminder, these results are very important as heat kills more people annually in the United States on average than floods, hurricanes, and tornadoes combined. You can learn more information and find a link to the interactive maps in the full study right now on WANE.com. Meteorologist Nathan Gidley, WANE 15 News.